In 2025, AI automation can mean two very different things. Today, we'll compare agentic AI versus simple automations and what that changes for small businesses. You'll get a practical definition of agentic AI without the hype, plus real SMB examples in sales, ops, and support, and a safe way to roll it out. The big shift is this. We're moving from run these steps to get this outcome while staying inside clear constraints and permissions. Simple automations are trigger-to-steps workflows, predictable and rules-based. They're perfect when the process is stable, repetitive, and easy to test. Agentic AI is goal-based. It can plan, use tools, and test. Check results, and adapt. It's less like a flowchart and more like a junior operator working in a loop. What changed in 2025 is packaging. Agents are now embedded inside business tools. We also have better tool use. Evaluations, monitoring, and easier connectors to your apps. Automation follows a map. Great when the path is known and exceptions are rare. Agentic AI explores the terrain. It adapts, but it needs stricter guardrails and supervision. Agents tend to work in 5 steps. Understand the goal, plan, act, observe, and adjust. That loop is powerful, but it can spin, so you need limits, retries, and stop rules. Where each breaks, automations fail when inputs vary and edge cases explode. Agents fail when permissions are too wide or when nobody is monitoring outcomes. Example 1, lead follow-up. Automation tags leads and sends templates. An agent can read context, personalize outreach, choose the channel, schedule follow-ups, and update the CRM. Example 2, billing and ops. Automation sends overdue reminders on a schedule. An agent can reconcile context, draft a custom note, propose a plan, and flag risk while humans approve money actions. Example 3, support triage. Automation routes by keywords and priority. An agent can read the thread, check the account, try a fix, open a ticket, and summarize the case for a human. Simple automations still win for high-volume, low-variance work. They're cheaper, easier to test, and better for compliance-heavy, audit-sensitive actions. Agents win when the work is unstructured or full of edge cases. If a human spends time reading context, deciding what matters, and writing, an agent can help a lot. The best pattern is agent plus automation. The agent decides what and why, and your automations do the clicking. Inside a small sandbox with safe handoffs, guardrails that matter, least privilege access, and separate credentials. Require human approval for refunds, deletes, and outbound blasts, and keep logs you can replay. Pick your first use case with simple math. Frequency times minutes saved. Then, weigh error cost, data access complexity, and customer impact before you automate actions. A safe 30-day rollout. Week 1, map the workflow and define the success metric. Week 2, run shadow mode. Week 3, add tests and limits. And Week 4, roll out with monitoring. Common failure modes, confident wrong actions, tool spaghetti, and prompt drift. Fix with tighter scope, fewer tools, versioned prompts, evaluation sets, and cost caps. Quick checklist, metric, owner, tool list, test cases, audit trail, and a kill switch. Automations are reliable muscles. Agents are a flexible brain. Combine both and subscribe for weekly SMB playbooks.